number 1 po yan is yung safety health officer, ano. Then number 2 siguro is yung secretariat. And then number 3 is the population.
Hazard based on GHS. Di ba yesterday po ito? Yes. Ma'am, ano po ibig sabihin ng GHS?
Physical and health.
Okay. Tama po, ma'am. Yay! Nabigyan ng jacket yan. Give me 3 examples of special ways. Ang hint po dito ay...
Parang may sagot na yun.
Hint lang yun.
Ay, hint ba yun? Sorry.
Hint lang po ba yun? O dapat di kasama?
Computers.
Main daw, ma'am. Main. Ano ba, ma'am? Yan. Wait, tamang sagot natin. Answer, bulky waste. The body against... Very good po. Lane A1 po. Who is responsible for implementing the OSH policy in the workplace? Lahat daw. Specific.
Safety officer.
Sa inyo po ba? Ay, doktora, lahat daw po.
Lahat naman talaga. Diba? Employer and the workers. Diba kaya nga sabi na
Psychological natin.
Doktora, that's correct. Psychosocial or psychological form of hazard. And then the MBRRMO.